Hey Florida Tech, student meteorologist Gabe Taylor here from the Panther Weather Service. I've got your forecast for March 16th and the days ahead. Now starting out tomorrow morning as you're waking up, lows in the upper 60s with 66 up in Titusville, 66 here in Melbourne, so it's going to be decently cool out if you're up early in the morning. And then later in the day, we're going to have quite the spread from the coast to inland with 87 in Cocoa and only as high as 80 out in Cape Canaveral. It looks like there'll be a sea breeze just pinned along the coast, keeping the immediate shore very cool compared to inland, where it's going to be pretty warm with 84 here in Melbourne. Now tomorrow, partly cloudy, 0% chance of rain, again a high of 84 degrees. Winds will be from the west at 5 to 10 miles per hour. That's why that sea breeze is going to be pinned along the east coast and keeping it cooler there. Now starting out in the morning, 67 degrees, getting up to 80 pretty quickly by noon, and then by 4 p.m. still staying around the mid 80s. And would you look at that, sunrise at 7:30 a.m. That's because we just had daylight saving times last weekend and a sunset at 7:32 p.m. So we'll finally have some daylight out in the evening if you're getting out of those late classes. Now tomorrow night, an average temperature of about 71 degrees. It's going to feel a little bit warmer because it is a bit humid out there, but no chances of rain, and winds will calm down to about 5 to 10 miles per hour out of the south. Now looking at the 5-day forecast, Sunday, very similar to tomorrow, pretty warm and partly cloudy. And then Monday we have a front coming through, so there might be some storms, 40% chance of rain and thunderstorms that day, but not a total washout. You'll probably stay dry for the most part. And then Tuesday, that front has pushed through, so only a high of 68 degrees on that day and a low of 55 degrees. And then Wednesday, we start to pick back up at 73 degrees for our high temperature. That's all for me. I'm student meteorologist Gabe Taylor. Take care.